Hi all, welcome to Easy Maths for Everyone. My name is Rajeshwari. I am a trained postgraduate teacher in mathematics. Calculus plays a major role in higher secondary and degree level educations, and integral calculus is one of the hardest topics in which everyone struggles. Starting from this video, I am going to walk you through all the concepts and solving problems using the various methods of integration. Without further ado, let's get started. The topics that are covered in this lecture are definition of integration, types of integration, uses of integration, various methods of integration, and the applications of integration. Let's get to know what is integration. Integral calculus is a branch of calculus in which we study the essential concept of integration, which is the inverse process of differentiation, also called as the reverse process of differentiation. Let's think about this situation. Suppose f is a function defined on an interval I and its derivative f dash exists on each point of the interval I, then a natural question arises that given f dash at each point of I, can we determine the function f? I mean to ask, if you know the value of f dash, can you find the function f? The answer to this question is yes, we can. Here comes the proper definition of integration. The process of finding the function when we are provided with its derivative is called integration. The function so obtained is called the antiderivative or primitive of the given derivative. In mathematics, integration is a method of adding or summing up the parts to find the whole. Actually, in differentiation, we will break the given function into many parts. But in integration, since this is the reverse operation of integration, we will sum up all the parts together to make the whole. Also, integration is used to find the summation under a vast scale. For example, if you want to add some finite number of elements, you will just put a sigma or sum of the elements together. But when the summing is required over a wide range, like minus infinity to plus infinity, that's where we use integration. There are two types of integrals, which are indefinite integrals and definite integrals. Indefinite integrals are those which does not have lower and upper limits, and the definite integrals are those which have the lower and upper limits. If we talk about the uses of integrals, the indefinite integrals are just used to find the antiderivatives or primitives of the given functions. There are not many uses in this type. But when we talk about the uses of definite integrals, there are many uses. The definite integrals are used to find many quantities like area between curves, surface areas and volumes of solids, etc. Not just in mathematics. Integrals are much useful in physics also to find distance, velocity, acceleration, work, kinetic energy, center of mass, etc. There are three widely used methods of integration, which are method of substitution, method of partial fractions, and integration by parts. Though there are many other methods available like using trigonometric identities, etc., we widely use the above mentioned methods only. The real life applications of integrals includes determining the shape of buildings to be constructed, length of power cable required to connect two substations, to find the center of gravity, etc. Well, that was a brief introduction to the topic of integration. You will start to learn the formulae and concepts in solving the problems in our upcoming videos. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and do share it with your friends. Let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification symbol in order not to miss the continuity in learning. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.